arriving. Gino, what's Mama doing? Gene, what's Mama doing? Say, you just chew on cardboard. You just want to chew on that cardboard. Hey, Noop. What are you boys doing? Snoop-a-whoop. And Gene Bean. Sounds like Mama's done serenading us for the night. Until next time.